famous Wyf CaityB, back in the building with another reaction video with Mama B. This is my mama, and we do reaction videos, and we're going to be doing a Cutthroat mode double. So first track we have for you guys is On The Way feat. Mo Music, dropped recently, and All I Need, which dropped in 2017. So quite an old song, Also, if you're new to my channel and this is the first ever video you're watching, welcome to my channel. I appreciate it heaps that you stopped by to watch. And if you're wanting to consider subscribing, please do by clicking on my logo over there, or subscribe at the bottom, and don't forget to click on that bell to keep notified on when I upload videos, fam. But yeah, and thank you to those that have requested. I appreciate it heaps, fam. Let's go. And if I have any shoutouts, I'll have it going across the video.
Thank you to Lady Wolfgram. Thank you so much for your patience. Sorry for the long delay.
Wait,
yeah, sorry about that, but here, this is for you. Thank you. Much love from us in Australia and New Zealand to you in America.
Yeah. Oh, I like that.
So much shit on my mind. Where the fuck do I begin? Why do I even try when I know my chance is slim? But I know deep inside, before I die, I'm gon' win. I'm on the ground, I'm all in. Time ain't on my side, death calling. All I need is a shot with the rock. 1 second on the clock, put it up, watch it drop and be all ball. Out the mud, me and my dog fraud. Standing tall till it all falls. No, I cannot give up, Lord knows I'm not a fall. I'm almost there, feel it in my soul. Told them so, but they did not know. Rock bottom, I've been that low. Down in the dirt, and still I rose. I feel the hurt, and still I go. Still I know that this hope for sure. Tryna ride my wave, no room in my boat. Kill the game, you know I'm at the ghost. That's 4-5-4, cut the more.
We on the way, me and my dogs, got them forever, yeah. We need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah. We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah. We got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah. We on the way, me and my dogs, got them forever, yeah. We need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah.
I love it, they're talking about their journey, or their music journey. It's quite nice, and I like the beat. It's very like heartfelt. It makes me like really sad but happy at the same time.
Like I just want to keep listening, you know. Just want to keep listening.
Oh, so yeah, it's really nice.
We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah. We got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah. Cutthroat to the world blow, cocaine pearl flow, get a sterile dose. I'ma skate like a pair of foes to this white won't dare foe. Got a pair of bros that I do you in fast forward. Careful what you ask for. 3 youngins for the same section, straight blessing. Even though this path long, we gon' add on. Feed ours, get the pack gone. Pray this shit last long. That's all. Fuck you and your sad song. Me and my bros pass strong. Take your pick and get gassed on. Big facts. Me and my brothers count big racks. Get back for them setbacks. Fuck whoever ain't with that. Look at them salts, look at them goats, look at them east side babies. Come from the cold, the shit speed flow. I got that east side in my veins. What to say? Had to share all this pain. Real niggas remain. Take a look. We done got it straight. We done got it straight. We on the way. Me and my dogs got them forever. Yeah.
I'm just gonna say, don't feel obliged to keep people in your life that aren't really supporting you and stuff like that. Like with me, I'm like a people pleaser, so I find it hard to.
And I get angry at it.
Push people away or let go of people because but when I do, it's actually a big thing. It's a big thing for me because like I'm
relieved.
Yeah, it is relieving. Like, but damn, definitely.
Yeah, I used to be a people pleaser, but I'm over it because it drags you down. Drags you down. Really? You're not gonna move on, move further on.
Yeah, I'm like the biggest people pleaser. So.
Yeah, it's 1 step forward, 2 steps back.
Big feels. Love that. Love that.
We need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah. We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah. We got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah. We on the way, me and my dogs, got them forever, yeah. We need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah. We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah. We got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah. Take take it on the chin, bitch, I roll with the punches. Looking for a win, trying to double up the budget. All is forgiven, nigga, I don't hold grudges. Trying to stack about 100s. Self-driven, I'll be up before the sound of the trumpet. Heart beating like a pound of a drumstick. I want it, I want it, I want it. Cutthroat to the bone, you like it, I love it.
She's talking about his drive, eh? Like, he wants it, he like craves for it, something that like he doesn't want anyone to stop him from their grind, I guess.
One dog eat, then the whole pound grubbing. One man down, then the whole squad plummet. You ain't never took a real L, stood up every time he fell, so you wouldn't understand how I'm coming. Uphill fight, but still I'm lunging. Open mic, let me spill my blood and grip my bottle for the pain, I numb it. No, I gotta shoot it straight, don't dumb it down. No, I won't ever dumb it down. Everything I do to make you proud. What if what I'm searching for just can't be found? Damn, but still. We on the way, me and my dogs, got them forever, yeah, yeah. And we need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah, yeah. We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah, yeah. Cause we got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah, yeah. We on the way, me and my dogs, got them forever, yeah, yeah. And we need to win, one for the team, do it together, yeah, yeah. We overseas, no one believe, no in between, yeah, yeah. Cause we got a dream, me and my team, we all together, yeah, yeah.
I wonder what it feels like, eh? The rush of a crowd just bumping your music, singing along with you. It's definitely
adrenaline.
Yeah, it would want to give you more motivation to keep doing music and doing what you do. Love that for you guys.
Yeah, and even if they're up there performing and the crowd singing your lyrics back to you, that must be beautiful.
Yeah. So next track is All I Need Fams. Let's go.
That's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free, that's when I'm really free. When I really got yeah. That's all I need, that's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free, that's when I'm really free. When I fire up the ganja, yeah.
Smoking on that wine, smoking on that cook. I drop a bag on a bag if it's really good. In the whip getting lit, I keep my windows up. Put that glue in the blunt before I twist it up. Even my mama know I gotta smoke before I get going. It's a problem, but a problem that's gonna keep me in motion. So I'm smoking, choking, rolling, cause my Buddha the dopest. And they scoping, hoping I fall off, get lost in my lows. But I'm good, cause I'm blowing wood with a fork. Might look hella on, but I'm good. A lung full of smoke and a blunt full of dope. Ain't coming up show, got a jug. Let me know if you want it. You can get hot to the morning. And I do all the rolling. Promise I'm gon' get you loaded.
When I fire up the ganja, yeah. That's all I need, that's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free, that's when I'm really free. When I fire up the ganja, yeah. That's all I need, that's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free, that's when I'm really free.
But then you need the money to buy it, so I think you need money as well.
When I fire up the ganja,
I got 2 bottles of Hennessy, a big bag of that ganja. Pour a shot for my brother, stun up, puff a blunt with my partners. Chopper after chopper, yeah, I know we got problems. Rolling and smoking on marijuana, we don't share no dirty Dianas. I need backwoods, switching sweets or raw paper. Breaking trees, chopping the wood like it's hard labor. Roll it up as long as it's good, we smoke all flavors. Spark it up, start conversations, we all neighbors. All I need is Hennessy and we a little something to eat and I'm good. Hit the back roads, you already know how the police trip in my hood. Got my girl blowing out my line, talking about we don't spend enough time. Tell her I'm on my way, but I'm lying, girl, I'm getting higher than high. Break it down, roll it up, spark the blunt. All I need is marijuana. I said break it down, roll it up, I'm feeling good.
I feel like what now? Not that I do it now.
Yeah, no.
Just,
what is that?
It's all jokes.
Yeah.
when I fire up the ganja, yeah. That's all I need, that's all I really need.
Pretty nice neighborhood.
My Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free, that's when I'm really free.
That's nice, isn't it?
When I fire up the ganja,
Wait, was it missing a hood to the kaoli? Wait a damn minute.
It's taken off. I just heard a blow valve. It's Thibodeau.
That's when I'm free. That's when I'm really freeze with.
I took it off.
Oh, dang. Cool.
When I fire up the ganja, yeah. All I need is Hennessy to numb me pain. That's all I need. Marijuana smoking on me stress away. Fire up the ganja, then I'm free. All these problems hard for me to see. That's all I need. Break it down, roll it up, spark the blunt. All I need is marijuana. I said break it down, roll it up. I'm feeling good when I fire up the ganja, yeah. That's all I need. That's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free. That's when I'm really freeze with. When I fire up the ganja, yeah. That's all I need. That's all I really need is my Hennessy and marijuana, yeah. That's when I'm free. That's when I'm really freeze with. When I fire up the ganja, yeah.
It's quite repetitive. Oh man. Yeah, that dope hat was really popular back then, eh? Dope
nice
hat and
hat.
beanies. Yeah, and I love the colour of the car, that olive greeny look.
Turquoise.
Really pretty.
Aqua.
Yeah, really pretty. I liked when the singing came in, but I feel like the ending was a bit long, like they just dragged on the hook. I feel like they could have probably stopped it, like probably after the second or first time. Yeah, but I like the song. What do you think of it, Mum?
Thank you, producer.
Oh, thanks, no worries. I got a degree, easy.
Did I ask? I didn't even have to look at you. I'm looking over there. I can see your face.
So what do you think of All I Need, Mama B?
That was good. Bit of humour. I don't know. It's not humour for them maybe, but a bit of humour.
Yeah.
And it's reality. I mean, I don't know.
Reminds me of New Zealand life, eh? Like when you've had a long weekend, all you feel like is just drinking and
winding down.
Yeah.
Because you know you're going to be back at it again on Monday.
Yeah. Despite the struggles, how one of the guys was saying, his missus was calling him asking about paying the bills, but and he said he was going, but he wasn't. He was getting high.
It's good. I liked it. I like the visuals. Very nice. I like how the transition.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very nice.
When it first started off, I was like, and after it was like actually pretty good.
Because I always say this. I always mention lighter shade of brown, and this gives me that vibe. It's just so laid back and just makes you want to go to America. You know, everyone's just so
seems so chill.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, it seems. Damn. I like the beat too. Yeah. Probably like everywhere else in the world, eh? That's all you need in life. And probably some money, because
definitely money.
Yeah.
Because money is the root of all evil.
Makes the world go round.
Definitely good.
Yeah.
I like this. We reacted to one of these before, but I like these two.
Yeah, these two I think are a lot better than
yeah.
The other one we reacted.
I like the first one. The first one was really good.
It's nice to see a bit of their journey and also what they need in life. Priorities are right, bro. I love it. So what did you think about On My Way by Cutthroat Mad Moms?
It's very nice. I like how they're straight to the point and explaining and also doing. Yeah. And it shows. I like their videos are really nice. Different, you know.
Yeah, that's the first time I've seen a video clip like that.
And it's nice to see different kinds of videos, not just the same thing
same
like
stuff.
you see a lot here, but yeah.
Just like a cube, that's pretty cool. It's got that old school effect and it just showing their journey of music throughout their years and stuff like that. Yeah. And how you find all those snippets and stuff like that, eh? Like, man, it's good that you guys keep those memories. That you have those memories as well, like being able to perform and go to different countries, people bumping your music. I can only imagine.
They've probably been around a long time.
Yeah.
Thank you, lady. Lady Wolfgram.
Yeah, friends, I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed
Thank
this
you.
double. I appreciate it heaps.
Yeah, heaps. Thank you.
Sally, you played too much, eh? But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Thank you guys for tuning in. Much love. Stay safe. See you guys on the next video. Bye.